Hello again. Let's start your personal National Organizing Week today with the first step, which is choosing the right project. If you're anything like most people, then you've probably tried to organize certain parts of your home at some time in the past. And sometimes you may have achieved what you wanted, and sometimes you may have fallen short of your expectations. As you can see, the tricky part when you start is to choose the right project for the level of knowledge that you have. And in my experience, usually it's best to start with something extremely small, like a drawer or your fridge or one door in your cupboard. Something visible, something small, something that you can see. I would steer away from looking at a complete loft or a garage or even a full room because it would take too long, and the goal of this is to give you something that you can do in 5 to 10 minutes each day, but also because chances of getting disappointed if things don't turn out exactly the way you want them to are big, and that is the worst thing that can happen. So today, your job is nothing but looking around your home and finding a small, defined area that you would like to tackle as of tomorrow. Don't do anything yet. Just look at your home and choose. And then report back tomorrow when we take the next step. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel, or select the playlist in the middle to see more content, or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.